I'm really pleased to be able to say that today we went through our triennial IDEST inspection that we need to do to be able to test cylinders. The inspector gave us a clean bill of health, and subject to the final approval of the chief engineer when the paperwork goes off, we should be good to test cylinders for the next 3 years. Congratulations to Leo. It was his first inspection. He's now fully qualified cylinder technician, and thanks to both Leo and Louise for all the work we've put in to get this far. Great news. Bring your cylinders on in and we'll get testing.